Hey, your girl Hunchovb is back, y'all. Hunchovb is back. Not 100, but every day there's progress. But I'm ready to do my video. You know how I like my seafood, so I have some soft shell crabs. We're going to bread them and get them all crisped up. So come on, guys, let's get started. Okay, so I got my soft shell crabs, and they've already been cleaned. I bought them like that. They were already clean when I bought them. Hello, hello. See, still the legs are intact. And you know with the soft shell crabs, you eat the whole thing. So we're going to make a soft shell crab sandwich. So I have two soft shell crabs, and I beat up one egg. I'm going to try using the Louisiana air fryer fish breading tonight. And I've already put my breading in a baggie. You see it's more of like a cornmeal type or cracker meal type consistency. You don't need that much because you just want to coat the soft shell crabs since we're going to air fry them. So let's get started. You're going to dredge it through the mixture, the egg, and into the bag. And tonight I'm only doing one sandwich. And into the bag. Okay, let's get this away. Okay, so can you see there they're all breaded, lightly breaded. So let's get these into the air fryer. Okay, here's crab number one. And crab number two. We need to spritz them with a little oil. For years I've been using the EVO oil sprayer, but I just got this one. This is a bottle, and you still put in your own oil. It actually comes out more like a aerosol can. So I'm going to try this for a while. So far I've been enjoying using it. And I will leave a link in the description as to where you can get this oil sprayer from. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my air fryer. I'm going to select air crisp. I'm going to air fry at 390. Take the temperature down to 10 minutes. I'm going to come back and flip them over at 5. I'll be right back. Guys, look at here, look at here. Don't these look good? Look, guys. Nice and crispy. Ooh. Yummy, yummy. They look like they were fried in the pan. Oh, wow. Let's get these plated. Yummy, yummy. Guys, don't these look good? I'm telling you, they look like they were just fried in a pan. Look. Crispy. So you got the soft shell crabs. I have 2 slices of bread, my hot sauce, tartar sauce, a little tomato. You can use that as a just to eat on the side. You could put it on your sandwich, but I normally just like my soft shell crab sandwiches with a little hot sauce and tartar sauce. Or, you know, you can just break it off and dip it in and pull off a piece of bread, however you want to eat it. Look. So, oh gosh, look. Look, guys. Yummy. Told you it was crunchy. Yes. Yes, indeedy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yummy, yummy. You can dip it in a little hot sauce. God. This is so good. Oh my goodness. And look, this Louisiana air fryer fish breading is not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm liking this on this soft shell crab. Oh my goodness. See, I tell you, eat the whole thing. Guys, you know, I'd like to stay here and talk to you and everything, but I'm gonna have to go and eat my dinner and enjoy these crabs. Oh my goodness. So you can give this a try. Let me know what you think, but I'm enjoying it. So look, have a good rest of your day. What? On purpose. Make each day awesome. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Before I leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, don't forget to hit that bell button below this video so you can be notified of new upcoming videos. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.